Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an unboxing for you all. If you already subscribed to my channel, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carla and on this channel I share videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, then please subscribe down below. First, let's start off with the word of the day. The word of the day for today is beautiful, and that's spelled B-E-Y-O-U-tiful. We're all beautiful in our own ways, but most of all, remember to be you. Okay, so let's jump into this unboxing. The item came in this, and I'm just gonna use this, like, I forgot what these are called, but I'm just gonna use this because I don't have scissors. So here we go. And just opening it up here, I've unboxed a few of these items already. Well, I guess you can already see what it is. So I got another TELFAR item. This item, I can't even believe I got it. For some reason, I've also been having a hard time trying to get my hands on TELFAR handbags. This one I wanted because it's a color I don't have in my collection at all. Like, I don't have many bags with this color, and if I do, it has like some kind of writing. So yeah, this is why I picked it up. This is the TELFAR dust bag, definitely much better than my older ones. And here is this beauty. Guys, look at that color. Look at that. Look at the color of this. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. There's something in here. Oh, just a little piece of cardboard, but oh my gosh, look at her. Look at her. I love it. I've been so into, and I've said this before, I'm really getting into neutral tones. So this with like an all brown outfit, or like tones of cream, maybe like a cream top, a brownish kind of bottom, and this bag, just anything. Even this, it's the tones, guys. Look at definitely those earthy tones. But yeah, this is my newest piece, adding this amazing beauty to my collection. The lighting's kind of throwing it off a little bit, but you guys know how much I love these bags. I do plan on doing a review on all of my bags, only because I've received a few questions, like questions on the quality of the bag, questions on or does it last, has it been peeling, those kinds of questions. So I'm definitely gonna review a few of my TELFAR handbags. This one, obviously it's newer, so I probably won't include it in the review. However, I have an orange one, which I picked up maybe 9 months ago, so I can definitely review that. I've been wearing it a lot. And I just want to mention this really quickly. If you're new and probably this is your first TELFAR handbag video that you're watching, these bags can be worn so many ways. I know that they're small and it just gives the illusion as if much cannot fit in here. I've done a video on what fits in my small little TELFAR bag, and you'll notice that a lot actually fits in here. And obviously, as you can see, you can wear it top handle with the handles right here. Then you have these longer straps, so you can wear it as a shoulder bag. You can wear it crossbody. You can do a lot, right? You can turn around, put it crossbody like this, and maybe wear this on the strap if you wanted something a little different. I've seen this worn also as a necklace, which if you're adventurous, more power to you. So yeah, you can definitely wear these bags so many ways, and that's why I just love the design of this handbag. If you've never watched a TELFAR bag, if you've watched them and you know this already, then you know this already. It has the T for TELFAR and then the C for Clemens. Originally, I used to think that it just meant TELFAR Global, which is the website that you go on if you want to purchase it. But it's the T for TELFAR and then the C around it for Clemens. Also, I've mentioned this before, but TELFAR is a black designer, and I just love that so much more about this bag. The inside of this bag is lined, just in case you're wondering. And yeah, guys, that's about it on my new little TELFAR bag, which I love. I love this chocolate color. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I just love watching unboxing videos, so that's why I do them for you. Please remember to be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Love yourself and love others as well. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you in the next video.